Welcome! Today I am with iPhone 30 mini and Nillkin Super Faucet Shield Pro protective case. Let's quickly open it. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, this case looks like that. Right here we got thick rubber. It's flexible, but it's thick. And the back is made of the plastic probably. I feel like it's plastic. Yeah, definitely it's plastic. Let's put it on our iPhone. Okay, it's easy to put it on. That's good. Here we have good access to our charging lightning port, cutout for speakers, Discover Innovation, good access to this silent switcher. There is no problem with using this switcher. And let's take a look how buttons works. So let me just unlock the phone. Okay, volume buttons works fine. What about the power key? There's nice click. And it also works. So there's no any problem with these buttons. Okay, when we take a look at the back, you can spot that we got this kind of the cover. So it goes above our camera set. So when we put our smartphone like that on the flat surface, we are not going to scratch our cameras. So that's a good point. And the same when you take a look on the screen, it also goes a little bit above our display. And you have to take a look that I have on my screen and also on the cameras protective glass. And it still goes above the glasses. So that's a good point, definitely. What about the appearance? I think that looks nice. Of course, it's just, you know, personal preferences, but for me this case is very simple and it looks really nice. We can check if this case supports wireless charging. Yeah, as you can see, we can wireless charge our iPhone with this case. Let's try to remove it. As you can see, we can easily remove this case from our smartphone. And the price of this product is around $14. So I think it's a very good price for the quality and protection that we have right here. So I think that's all. If you have any question, you can ask them in the comment. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.